$1 million online may seem impossible, and you may believe that you need to be Pewdiepie, Logan Paul, or Mr. Peace to make that much money, but the truth is that there is one simple trick that multiple channels are using right now to make millions of dollars every year without ever showing their face, filming their voice, or creating their thumbnails. This video is a clickbait. I said a third, a $63 into $50,000, but in fact I turned $63 into $15,000, plus an additional $3,780, which is in total almost $19,000. So I really hope you're not mad about that clickbait, and to make up for it instead of this video, I will explain you exactly what I did, how I did it, and how you can potentially do the same. My name is Sayeed, and I run a 7-figure faceless YouTube business. That basically means making money from YouTube without being the creator yourself, making money on YouTube without ever showing your face in the camera, and without ever filming any of the videos yourself. And there are two different ways you can go around this. You can either do it yourself, you can get those videos done by yourself, or you can outsource it and hire other people to do it for you. And I personally prefer to outsource it and to make other people do it for me, because that way I can focus on building more channels to build better channels and to just scale my business and create a snowball effect. And that's always been the $63. And getting this video done, which thanks to the YouTube algorithm, made over $15,000 in revenue and in order to $3,700 from affiliate commissions. Now there are of course different ways you can make money from these faceless videos even without relying on ads. So even if you're not monetized, so you can also promote different affiliate products, you can maybe promote your own digital or physical products. You can do print on demand, or you can even do brand deals, which can sometimes be huge and can quickly add up. And we have discussed the entire business model in my latest video called How I Make Almost $30,000 a Day While Having Fun in Bali. But in case you didn't watch that video, let me briefly explain how the business model actually works. I like to call it the faceless YouTube automation business. And the way it works is you're building different YouTube channels by outsourcing to content, by outsourcing the videos, by making someone else create a content for your channels so you don't have to feel anything. And then you just focus on scaling those channels and you keep 80 to 90% of the profits that are coming either from ad revenue, affiliated products or even brand deals. And here's an example of a few different faceless YouTube automation channels. This is, for instance, Amazing Stock. If you open up any of their videos, you will be able to see that it's only a compilation of stock footage, stock photos, background music, maybe a little bit of background music, a voiceover. And that's it. That's all it is. No one is showing their face in the camera. And this is not a creator. This is a faceless YouTube channel. And these guys are, according to Social Blade, making approximately $16,000 a month just from other revenue alone. Then you can also add a different product they're promoting. Plus, you can also add a brand deals which are huge for these types of channels. Then we also have a really popular channel right here called A Bright Side, and these guys are also doing the same thing. This is the faceless YouTube channel, and these guys are pouring in over $500,000 every single month just from their revenue alone. That's like over $10,000 or $20,000 a day just from ad revenue alone. They're making a lot of money from this faceless YouTube channel. Now, the video that got me such a high ROIC, or a return on an investment, was one of the videos. And one of my faceless YouTube channel is where I'm literally outsourcing everything. I have the script writer. I had a voiceover artist. I have a graphic designer of 4 thumbnails. I have a video editor. And I also have a human resources manager who manages all of the people working on those videos and also manages the entire YouTube channel. So I don't even have to log in unless I want to check these analogous, unless I want to check the views, and unless I want to check how much money I made. And all of that in total cost me $1,900 a month for 30 different videos. And if you do the math, $1,900 divided by 30 is approximately $63 per video. And so just one of those videos it cost $63 made over $18,000 in revenue. That's over $18,000 of profit for something that I didn't do myself. Now this is obviously a rare case. Not all of the videos I publish make over $18,000 profit. It obviously doesn't work like that, but it just shows you how much potential this actually has now outsourced, and the content is. The easiest part is thanks to no more than 30 minutes to do that. But how do you actually get views? How do you actually set up your YouTube videos properly so that they get promoted by the YouTube algorithm? You see, this video is performing pretty well because I did an amazing job of setting up and optimizing it properly. I used the perfect strategy. So now, 80% of the views are coming from the YouTube search itself, which means this video is either ranked number 1 or somewhere in the top 5. So how do you make sure that your search engine optimization is on point? Well, first of all, you will need to find the right topic for the videos you're making. And I can say this enough, but you can have the best thumbnail in your history and you can have the best SEO humanization, but if the video topic is something that no one is interested in, it's not going to get views. But if you jump on something that's a trending and a lot of people are interested in, even if your thumbnail is not that good, it's still going to get some views. It's still going to get more views than if you were using the topic that no one is interested in, like how much I love to drink coffee. So I always look for the right video topic first. And to find a trending topic, you can also refer to Google Trends, Tulsons. It's absolutely right. And you will need to do some keyword research. And before this, you can also use some absolutely free tools like Video IQ. And do you have a buddy there? Pretty much the same. You can just use them to find the right keywords to include in your title description. And tags, having the right metadata is super important. So you want to make sure that you are using the right keywords that people are actually searching for and get the most out of the YouTube algorithm. You should always pretty much use the same keywords and focus only on one and niche only on one topic on your channel. And there are many different reasons why. First of all, if you make the same mistake as a lot of people are making and you want to focus on as many things as you can, like you make videos on the same channel about football, then you make one video about the traveling and one video about business. It's not going to work because first of all, people are subscribing to your channel because they want you to be there, go through channel when it comes to a specific topic. Secondly, when you have all of the similar videos and you're pretty much using the same keywords, chances are you will always be on the suggested B. So when someone starts watching one of your videos, if you have similar videos on your channel, or chances are they will pop up on their suggested column, which is either on the right-hand side if they're using the desktop version, or it will be below the video if they're on
There
mobile.
are two ways you can travel
in
across
that rabbit hole to just watch one after another of your videos because they were in the suggested page, YouTube will reward that you give them notice, says that you are keeping people longer in the platform and you're also keeping them longer on your videos, which is super important. So instead of getting only one view from one single person, you can get them to watch more videos, maybe 10 different videos, and that way 10x your results. So never create a salad of different topics on your channel, but always try to focus on one each and one topic and create your channel. Make your channel be the go-through channel when it comes to a specific topic. So obviously, if you get people to watch 3 or 5 or 10 different videos on your channel that are all around the same topic they're interested in, chances are they will be way more likely to subscribe to your channel and keep on watching for the long term. And based on the fact that you watched this entire video, it seems like you're really interested in this topic. And that's why I highly recommend you watch my latest video called How to Make Almost $50,000 a Day While Having Fun in Boli. I will probably leave that video in description down below if I don't forget to do it. If not this, go over to this channel and watch the latest video that was posted before this one you're watching right now. And if you want to learn more about YouTube automation, you can also follow me on Instagram at a WideNet store there. I'm Sayeed. I'm sharing different tips and tricks every single day, but I'm also sharing my results, and I'm also sharing my personal life and how I spend the money that I make from those faceless YouTube channels. So that's something you're interested in, and definitely go over to Instagram and follow me. Ed White, investor. We are really close to hitting 100,000 followers, which is really amazing. And if you did get some value out of this video, don't forget to drop a line to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and do yourself a favor by clicking Nazareth subscribe button with notifications on so you won't be late in any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in some of the next videos.